I have a lot of explaining to do because firstly, where have I been? But you know what? I'm back and I'm better. So let's get on to this hairstyle. So first things first, I section out the front of my hair. You can section out as much as you like. The reason for this, as some of you may know, I like working in sections because it becomes more manageable for me to deal with my hair, because natural hair can be very thick and chunky, and if you try to work with it all at once, sometimes you don't really get the best results. So I sectioned out the front middle part, which is what we're going to be using to style the hair, and then I also did my sides, and then now I'm sectioning out the middle part. And now that the middle part is sectioned out, I'm working on the back section. So I just try and see where I would like to place my ponytail, and then just see if something that I like or not. But I decided to place it a bit higher up because of the style I wanted to do. But as you guys see, I keep applying the styling gel and testing where I'd want my ponytail to be. And then I go over with my brush to slick it down. So when I'm done with the back section, I just put it in a ponytail. Don't tie it too tight, because remember, you need to also add the middle section of your hair to the same ponytail. So to ensure that everything is slicking down to perfection, I go over with my wide tooth comb and just comb out my hair. This also helps with the gel doing what it's supposed to, and then I just go over with my brush to slick it down, and then I'm going to put it into a ponytail. So now this is the ponytail where I can tie it as tight as I want, because I'm not going to undo it. But here I saw that it wasn't slicked to my desired look, so I went on and added the styling gel again, and then that's when I decided to tie it into a ponytail. So the trick with not working too hard when doing your ponytail and you have thick natural hair is that when adding in the other sections, like for example, as you can see, the sides of my hair, I'm going to add them to the very same ponytail. I'm not going to undo the ponytail that I already have, because then it's going to give me more work to try and tie my hair all together. So rather what I do is that I'm going to add the side parts with a different hairband. So meaning I'm adding a second hairband to the already existing ponytail that I already did, and I'm just going to tie them all together. I find that this makes it so much easier for you to do your hair, where you don't try and pick up all your hair all at once, because when it's chunky, when it's chunky, it's a bit harder to work with. And then I'm moving over to the front section, and doesn't this remind you of that 2010 hairstyle that we used to do back in the days, or was it just me? But anyway, I drenched the front section of my hair, and then I'm gonna put it in twist. Initially I wanted to add hair extensions, but I realized late when I actually ran out of hair glue, so I decided when I'll just do curls. And you can literally leave your style like this. You don't need to do anything else, but I'm going to show you how it looks like with some extensions on it. And this is me applying the wax gel. It helps with giving it that smooth, silky, polished saloon look. And then I'm just going to put on my head wrap and leave it overnight. This is the next day. Just add on some oil on your hands and you can start unraveling the twist. And then I'm also going to go over with my wide tooth comb. This is just to puff up the twist that I did in front. And then I'm going to use the Sapphire Afro Kinky Hair, and this is the package. It comes in 3 bundles. I'm going to use one because I'm just going to wrap around the ponytail. But if you are looking for that messy afro look, you can use 2 bundles on that. So once I'm done, I'm just going to attach it onto my already existing ponytail and just wrap it around my head. And that is pretty much it for this hairstyle. I don't really have much to say about my absence because computers really did crash. But thank you very much to my new followers, to my old subscribers. And if you're new here, please click on that button because there's still more to come. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.